everyone, I'm Terriell and welcome back to your 30-day Pilates journey. It is day 21 and we are doing lower body only. So I'm going to start us off today with a really fun 100 that focuses on our legs. So go ahead and lie down onto your back. Go ahead and get settled for a second, pulling knees into chest. Just dropping your head down flat, letting your chest relax open, giving your low back a little bit of a stretch. And from here, we're going to take our ab curl, lifting the head, neck, and shoulders off the mat, pulling the belly in, and then sending your arms long by your sides. And from here, we'll reach the legs out to your working level. And now, instead of pumping the arms, we'll start to beat the inner thighs together, breathing in, 2, 3, 4, 5, and out, 3, 4, 5, just opening and closing the legs. And exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, in with the air. And these are small and quick, and out with the air. And you want to think of that midline working, those inner thighs and your seat to help open and close the legs, reaching them longer out from your center. Let's go for 3 more breaths here. And exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2. And exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more breath in. And last breath out. Good. Now hold your position. Bend your knees all the way into your nose. And then go ahead and lower the head, neck, and shoulders down. From there, flip around onto your stomach and prop yourself up onto your elbows. We're going to make fists with the hands, and today bring your knuckles to touch together in the center for single leg kicks. Now squeeze your seat and drive those hip bones down into the floor. It's all about the seat here. Now I want you to make it really still here as you kick 1, 2, and lengthen. 1, 2, and lengthen. Kick, kick, and reach. Kick, kick, and reach. Now, as you drive your hip bones down, think of reaching your chest sky high, pulling it through your shoulders, pulling your low belly in, stretching out the front of your thighs and hips, and engaging your seat and your hamstrings. And then go ahead and settle down. From there, stack your palms one on top of the other, rest your forehead down. We'll take the knees and bend them in, squeezing your seat to drive the hip bones down. Keep your heels glued together in the center and just lift your thighs up off the mat for 3. From the kneecaps, you lift up even higher, 2. And 1, set the legs down. Reach them long, bend them in. Lift the thighs off. 3. And 2. And 1. Send them long, bend them in. 2 more times. Lift off for 3. And 2, squeezing that seat. And 1, send the thighs down, reach them long. 1 more time, bend in, lift up, holding 3, holding 2, and holding 1. And then send the legs down. Now bend the knees, squeeze your seat to lift those thighs off. And we'll think of pulling the heels in close for 10, for 9, for 8, for 7, the thighs stay lifted, the hips stay driving down to the mat. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Send the legs out long. From here, we'll take the hands behind the back for double leg kick, turning your head to the side. Kick the heels to the seat. 1, 2, 3. Lengthen them out and lift the chest, squeezing your shoulder blades. Turn your head to the side and kick again. 3, 2, 1. Lengthen the legs, lift the chest, and turn twice more here. Kick 3, kick 2, kick 1, reach out and lift off. And last time, kick 3, kick 2, kick 1, reach the legs out and lift that chest. Good. From there, we'll sit back into a child's pose for 2 deep breaths, dropping the head down heavy, rounding out the low back. And next, we'll set up for side kick series. So line yourself up with the back edge of your mat. Prop yourself up onto one elbow. Now your top arm can be down in front, or if you want an extra challenge, up here behind the back of the head with your elbow raised to the ceiling. So top leg lifts up an inch, and we'll take it forward, kick, kick, to reach it back. And kick, kick, and reach it back. That's it. 4 more to the front. And reach back. 3 more times to the front. And reach back. Last 2. And reach 1 more time. Forward and all the way back. Now stack your legs up. We'll kick high to the ceiling. 6, Lower with control. And 5. Reach it out and down, making that waist long. 4 more. Send it out. Last 3. And a reach. 2 more times. Reach it out. 1 more here. Up. Lengthen down. Now start to circle this leg small for 10, for 9, for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now reverse 10 times. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Just a little warm up there. Pull the knees in, flip yourself around. Other side. So make sure you're all lined up from crown of head to tail, whatever you're doing with your top arm, up or down. Now we'll take that top leg, lift it, lengthen it, squeeze your seat, send the leg forward. 1, 2, and reach it back. Trying to keep those hips stacked and the shoulders open and relaxed. Good, and kick, kick, and reach it back. That's it. We have 4 more to the front. And reach 3 more times. Send it back. Good. 2 more. And reach 1 more time here. Reach back. Now stack the legs up, one on top of the other. We kick up to the sky and back down. And all the way up to reach it down. 4 more. Woo. Side kicks are not my favorite, but they're good for you. Good for me too. 2 more. And last one. Keep that leg nice and long. Don't let it rest. And we'll start to circle for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whoo, rest that leg down. From here, flip to your stomach, stack your palms one on top of the other. Lift your legs up off the mat and start to beat your inner thighs together. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have 10 more. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Squeeze the legs tight. Lift them up 3. Lift them up 2. Lift them up 1. Set them down. Sit back onto your heels in a child's pose here, rounding out the spine. And then go ahead and make your way up to kneel really tall. So from here, we're going to do a little thigh stretch just to stretch out the front of the legs. Reach your arms forward, pull your belly in, and then go ahead and hinge back. 3, 2, 1. Float back up by squeezing your seat and driving those hips forward. Let's do that 2 more times. Hinge back. 3. Use your powerhouse, core in, core tight. 1. Exhale, forward. 1 more time. All the way back. 3, 2, 1. And up to the top. Now flip yourself around to lie down onto your back. Shoulder bridge time. So now your feet step onto the mat and go ahead and walk your big toes, ankles, and knees together so your inner thighs are squeezing. Press into your feet and lift your hips high up to the sky. Now from here, we'll take the right knee into chest. Reach that leg straight up and let's send it down and lift it right back up for 5. Down and right back up 4. Down and lift 3. Down and lift 2. Lower, lift 1. 2 feet on the mat. Other leg, knee in, reach it high, and then reach it down. And 4. 3 more times, lengthen. Abs tight here, keep squeezing in that right leg. 2 and 1. Now put that foot down, melt down to the bottom. Go ahead and hug both knees into the chest. Rock and roll up to sit, and then come to kneel tall in the center of your mat. So now we'll take the arms out to a T to finish our side kick series. Right leg out, left hand down. Right hand right behind the nape of your neck here with the elbow high to the ceiling. Now we'll lift this top leg up, send it forward for bicycle, bend the knee, reach the knee behind, extend back. 2 more. Bend. Extend. 1 more time. Forward, heel to seat, knee reaches behind you, extend it. Now we'll reverse it, straight leg back, heel to seat, knee up and extend. 2 more. Reach, heel to seat, knee to armpit, extend. 1 more time. Forward, bend, reach it, extend it. Now we circle it. Big. 3, big, 2, circle, 1, and then reverse. Reverse it, 3, as big as you can make it, 2, and 1. Whew. And then come back to 2 knees. From here, another thigh stretch. Reach the arms forward, hinge back, 3, 2, 1. Send it forward. 2 more. Hinge it back as far as you can control. 2, 1. Squeeze the seat forward. Abs in really tight here. 1 more time. 3, 2, 1. Send it forward. Arms reach out to the side. Left leg out. Right arm down. Left hand behind the head. Lift that top leg up. Bicycle. Front. Bend. Reach behind you. Extend. Don't kick your houseplants. 2 more. Front. Bend. Behind. Extend. 1 more time. And don't let that leg drop. It's really hard to keep it right up at hip level. Reverse. Back. Heel to seat. Knee in front. Extend. And reach back. Heel to seat. Knee up. Extend. 1 more time. Reach back. Heel to seat. Knee up. Extend. Now find center. We do 3 big circles. 1, 3, 2, and 3. And then reverse it. Bigger. 1. As big as you can. 2, and 3. Whew. And then come back to 2 knees. Whew. And you're all done with lower body only. Day 21. We are getting there towards that 30-day mark. I will see you all on the mat tomorrow for day 22. Bye for now.